Is PrestoShopper really a great way to potentially earn more than $100 per mystery shopping job, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to earn some extra money, and many viewers have asked me about this platform, and therefore I decided to record this PrestoShopper review where I will give you an inside look and show all the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect and can decide whether this is then the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join PrestoShopper, because they do not have an exact list of the countries you can join from. But from what I've been able to find out, it is available in many different countries. But of course, how many opportunities you can find will vary from country to country. From what I can see, it does have the most opportunities in English-speaking countries, but there are also many other options or many other countries where you can find tasks from. But you can go here and you can search, as I will show you when I give you an inside look, for specific jobs in your location, and then you can see if it will be worth it for you or not. And before knowing that, of course, you also need to know how much you can earn. I'll show you examples of that a little bit later. What you also need to know is that you can join it both on the website itself, or you can download the app that is available for both Android and iOS devices. However, in my personal opinion and experience, the experience when you're using the app is way better than the website. The website doesn't work too well in my personal opinion. So I do prefer the app, and that's also why I will show you inside the app now. So let me now log in and then we can talk more about how you can earn and how much you can potentially earn. So I have now opened the PrestoShopper app, and you can see here now I'm in the map mode, and you have a map and a list mode here you can choose from, and I'll show you both. And this is how you can see what jobs are available in your local area. And you can just go to the search one here and search. It will also detect your location and show it. But if you want to see, for example, if you right now are not in your location something, you can also go and search for specific locations. Right now I just searched also for New York because I know there's a lot of options there, and that gives you an idea. And you can see there's some like yellow or some orange marks here and some blue ones. Up here you see that right now there's these Insta, and then there's Mystery, and Insta are often like these shorter tasks, shorter surveys. They don't pay that well, but they are also super easy to do. And then there's these mystery shopping, so which are more like mystery shopping jobs, tasks. So we'll just talk a little bit more about what you need to do for those and how much you can earn in just a bit. There is one more important thing I just want to show you, because there are some people that might say PrestoShopper is a scam and things like that, but just look what they write themselves. They do this both on the website and inside the app here. Beware of scams, because some scammers have contacted different consumers or people and claiming to be from Presto or PrestoShopper and offering high-paying shop in an attempt to get them to send money. And this is not unusual. I hear this very often, that legit mystery shopping apps or platforms, that scammers take their names, misuse their logos, reach out to people and try to get them to pay or buy some gift cards, and they end up getting close to their accounts, and then they blame the mystery shopping platform, but in reality it is scammers that are misusing it. I do have a full video where I explain more about how to avoid mystery shopping scams. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out also. I will also leave a link to that below, because that is very important when it comes to mystery shopping, to be aware of this. But PrestoShopper itself is legit. You just need to be aware that there might be some scammers that are misusing their name, and you need to be careful of that. But let's look a little bit more here at the jobs and the earning potential. So I now just jump to the list mode, because it can be easier to get an overview of some of the tasks and what you need to do and the rewards and things like that. And I have of course blurred out here the exact addresses, because when it comes to mystery shopping jobs, we are of course not allowed to publicly show to people that are not members the exact addresses, the exact tasks, because the whole point of mystery shopping jobs is to get us to go to be a mystery shopper. So the shops we go to, they don't know that we are actually hired to go and test the customer service. Companies use this to test if the staff they have are offering the service they really want them to, and they hire people as mystery shoppers to do this. And then of course we cannot show the exact addresses. I can also not click and show you the exact description of each task, but I think you understand kind of the idea of what it is. The exact tasks will be described in each of these job descriptions. but just be aware you need to follow everything, really pay attention to it, because if you do not, your risk might not actually getting paid. And you need to be aware that many of the tasks inside PrestoShopper, they are available right away. You don't need to for an approval, and some of them do pay quite well. You can see, for example, here is one where you potentially could earn like $119. There's one like $29, $65, $60. So there are some quite good options to earn, but of course also some of them do require more effort, more time. So always also look at that, look at the location, so you don't end up spending hours on transportation and on the task, and then you don't get paid much. So all this is something you need to look at, but it does have quite a good number of tasks. Of course, that does depend on your location. Some places you might not find any tasks at all. Others, as you can see, for example, in New York, there are a lot of tasks, for example. So let's now talk about how you can get paid, because that's of course also important to understand. And you can see here that can depend on your location. So I just jumped to the FAQ section because they give a really good overview of this. For example, they say they have this Tango card, which can basically be converted into more than 40 different stores. It can be like Amazon, Target, things like this, iTunes, Starbucks. But this is only available in the US, as you can also see there. But also they have Amazon gift cards. This is also only for the US. So no, if you want to earn Amazon gift cards for other countries, I do have a video about the best ways to earn Amazon gift cards. I will leave a link in the top corner there, then you can check that out. But also, you see, they do have PayPal, so if you want cash, then they also do offer PayPal, and I do like that they offer a selection of different ways to get paid. Of course, it would be great if they also offered like some gift card options in other countries than just the US, in my opinion, but PayPal is very convenient if you want to get paid in cash, so that's definitely also good they have that. So overall it has some good payout options in my opinion. And when it comes to when you will then get paid, that depends on the task you do. As you can see, they have, for example, some tasks that are actually not paid through Presto itself. That's important to be aware of. But you saw earlier there was like these blue pins here. They say these are these Insta shops. They are paid through Presto. So that will be with the methods I just showed. And then they have these Insta shops there that are paid directly by the mystery shopping company. So that's private shops there. And then they have some other options also there that are the orange ones here. So they're done through a different system there. So it can be a little bit confusing like that. But as you can see here, when it comes to the Insta shops, they are usually sent or received within 72 hours, but in general they pay shoppers there on Monday and Thursdays mornings there. So the payout system is not quite as smooth as others because there are different payout options or companies that are processing the payments depending on the task. So that's just something to be aware of. But overall, still a fairly good payout system, even though it is a little bit more confusing than certain other mystery shopping platforms. So to sum it all up, PrestoShopper can be a way to earn some extra money by doing mystery shopping jobs. And some of the tasks do pay quite well, but you just need to be aware that in some locations you will find very few jobs. That's just how it is, not just with PrestoShopper, but with most mystery shopping platforms. And in general, if you like doing this type of task, it can be a good idea to join several different platforms to get more opportunities. So I also do have a list on my website of the best mystery shopping platforms. So I'll leave a link to that below. Then you can go and check out some more options. And if you like just doing these small quick surveys, I also do have a list of the best survey sites in specific countries. I have a long list that are manually built for many different countries. I will also leave a link to that below, so then you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.